Do you want to know how you can change your email address on QuillBot? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your email on QuillBot. Go ahead and open any browser and go to QuillBot.com and make sure you do have an account and log into your account. You can see this type of interface. Go ahead and click on your profile, which you can see on the top right hand side, and click on account details. After that, you can see the edit button over here beside your email. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see that you can easily remove your Google account and write down a new account. So go ahead and write down new account and click update. So what you need to do is write down the 4-digit code sent to you by QuillBot on your current Google account. So write down the code which is sent to you. After you've written down the code, click next. And a 4-digit code will be sent to the Google account which you want to choose. Go ahead and check the Google account which you have just chosen and write down the code once again. And then click next or save. And there you go. This is how you change your Google account. Now what you need to do is sign in to your account using the newest Google account which you registered to QuillBot. So go ahead and choose your account, click continue, and in a while you will log into your account and you can use QuillBot for various projects related issues. So guys, this is how you change your email address on QuillBot. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.